Welcome to 967 Bidwell Avenue, Sunnyvale, 94086. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,925 square foot, sitting on approximately a 7,000 square foot lot. It is listed for $2,488,000, and it is listed by John Huang of Compass. Let's check it out. First, a preview from the outside. Take a look at the neighborhood. Beautiful neighborhood here in Sunnyvale. Let's check out the front facing landscaping. Got some mulch here. Nice big numbers, 967. Look at this nice putting green here. Great use of space. You have your AC unit here. Check out the front of the home. Check out the side of the home. It does look like it is equipped with solar panels. You have your gas meter here, your main electrical panel, brick fireplace. Check out this huge living area. Nice tall vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting. Wood fireplace. Lots of windows. New flooring. Beautifully staged. I love what they did here with all the natural tones. A bunch of shades of brown, green, light brown. Check out this kitchen. Nice waterfall island here. You can sit up to 4 people here. Stainless steel appliances. Brand new dishwasher. Nice white sink. Chrome faucets. Let's check out some of these cabinets here. Soft closing. Beautiful 6 burner gas Thermador oven with the matching Thermador exhaust fan. Built-in microwave. Stainless steel refrigerator. Beautiful kitchen. Nice open layout overlooking this living room area here, as well as your dining area and this other entry living room here. Let's continue our tour this way. And this is bedroom number 1. Again, recessed lighting, brand new flooring. Check out your closet space with some built-in storage racks. Nice large window here. This does overlook the front of the property. Nice little putting area. Great size bedroom. Bedroom number 2. You have your closet space again with the built-in storage racks. You have your dual twin beds here currently staged. This would be a great kids room, as you guys can see. Nice big window overlooking the backyard. Recessed lighting throughout. Smart thermostat. Check out this bedroom here. Nice tall vaulted ceilings. Again, recessed lighting throughout. Brand new flooring. Nice large bed. Slider doors overlooking the back of the property. We'll go check out the back in a minute. This is the primary bedroom with the barn door. Let's turn on the lights in here. Nice skylight. Let's hop into the shower. Nice tile all around. Built-in cubbies. Chrome fixtures. Floating vanity. Dual closets. Got this section here and this section here with the built-in cubbies. Some more storage. Great for towels, linens. Bathroom number 2. Dual floating vanity. Nice large rectangular mirror. Tiled floor. Tiled shower. Chrome fixtures. Built-in cubby. Recessed lighting. Attic access up top. And into another bedroom. Take a look at the closet. Great size closets. Built-in storage racks. Nice large window overlooking the side of the property. Great job with the staging, as you guys can see. And this leads us into your laundry room. You have your washer and dryer with your sink, window overlooking the front entrance of the property. And this is your 2-car garage. As you guys can see, they have epoxy the floor. You have your HVAC unit here, your hot water tank heater here. Another window overlooking the front of the property. Let's do a once over, going in the opposite direction. Bathroom, closet, primary bedroom, primary bathroom, access to the backyard, kids' room, views to the backyard, another bedroom, views to the front yard, living room, kitchen, front entryway, dining area, entry living room. Let's check out the backyard. Just take a look at this backyard. Great size. Nice long deck here. Perfect for entertaining. Perfect to let the pets run around. Looks like you have some sort of fruit tree here. Looks like we have some figs, as you guys can see. Great barbecue area back here in this corner. Let's check out this side of the property. Access to water here. One of the bedrooms. This is your garage access. Nice stuccoed exterior. Now let's check out this detached flex room here. Great bonus room. You can use this as a home office, a studio, home gym, art room, yoga area, guest room, whatever you guys want. Nice window overlooking the backyard. Big skylight allowing natural lighting inside. Tiled flooring. Check out the back of the property here. Let's wrap around to this side. As you guys can see, great size backyard. This home is sitting on a 7,000 square foot lot. We have another fruit tree here. That about sums up this video tour. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys liked about this tour. Another fruit tree here. Looks like some type of citrus. Look at the size of those. If you guys are looking to move into Sunnyvale, relocating from out of state, or know any friends or family members looking to move here into Sunnyvale, contact me, email me, text me, call me. happy to get us in to tour this home privately, or any other home that you guys see on any of the online platforms. Skip the Zillow button, skip the Redfin button, and just tour directly with a real estate agent that actually lives and spends most of his time here in the city of Sunnyvale. Check you guys out in the next home tour video.